The life insurance gap. Are you covered? Life insurance is crucial, yet many Canadians lack adequate coverage. Statistics. Canada reports that in 2023, only 56% of Canadians owned life insurance. This means almost half of Canadians are unprepared for the unexpected. Think about that for a moment. What would happen to your family if you were gone? Would they be financially secure? These are tough questions, but they are essential to consider. The life insurance gap is a serious issue. It's not just about numbers, it's about people. It's about families who are left struggling to pay the bills after a loved one passes away. It's about children who have to give up their dreams because their parents didn't have enough life insurance. We need to close this gap and ensure that everyone has the protection they need. Managing financial risk strategies for a secure future. We all face financial risks in life. These risks can be unpredictable and have a significant impact on our financial well-being. Managing these risks is crucial for a secure future. There are several strategies you can employ to mitigate financial risks. First, build an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Second, create a budget and stick to it. This will help you manage your money effectively and avoid unnecessary debt. Third, invest wisely to grow your wealth over time. Finally, secure adequate insurance coverage, including life insurance, health insurance, and disability insurance. Types of life insurance. Finding the right fit. There are two main types of life insurance: term life and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. It's generally more affordable than permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance, on the other hand, offers lifelong coverage and includes a cash value component that grows over time. It's typically more expensive, but provides long-term financial benefits. Within permanent life insurance, several options exist, such as whole life, term 100, and universal life insurance. Whole life insurance offers guaranteed premiums, death benefits, and cash value growth. Term 100 provides coverage for 100 years and often includes level premiums. Universal life insurance offers flexible premiums and death benefits, allowing policyholders to adjust coverage as their needs change. Each of these will be discussed in detail in the next videos. Group life insurance, an affordable safety net. Group life insurance is often offered through employers as part of their benefits package. It provides coverage to a group of people under a single policy. Group life insurance is generally more affordable than individual policies. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to obtain basic life insurance coverage. However, it's important to note that coverage may be limited and may not be portable if you change jobs. If your employer offers group life insurance, it's generally advisable to take advantage of it. It can provide an additional layer of financial protection for your loved ones. It's essential to assess your overall life insurance needs and determine if supplemental coverage is necessary to meet your specific financial goals. Secure your future. Take action today. Life insurance is an essential part of a sound financial plan. It provides financial security and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today. Review your life insurance needs. Consider your financial obligations, your dependents, and your long-term goals. Speak to a qualified financial advisor to determine the right type and amount of coverage. Remember, life insurance is not about you. It's about the people you love. It's about ensuring that they are taken care of, even when you are no longer there. Secure your future and protect your loved ones with life insurance. It's a decision you won't regret. Subscribe to learn more.